Hello my planner pals and welcome back. If you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today I want to share with you a quick hack, tip slash tutorial slash whatever we're calling these things of monthly boxes. Now we've all seen, I'm sure, the monthly boxes where you have the one day that gets split into two. Like because of the space that's on the spread, you get one that's kind of like a half box. Now, in the past, I've shown you how to do this, and I do this usually with sticker paper, but there's also people that show you how to do this with stickers, right? I'm going to show you the cheap and easy way of doing it. That's what I'm going to do. This is my take on it because you know I'm all about that budget life, right? The budget life. That is my shtick. That is my shtick. So I'm going to show you the quick and easy ways of doing this, and you can do this with stickers regardless, anywhere on your spreads. But this is what I do. I do it with sticker paper. And all I do is I have some sticker paper. This could be like label paper, like, you know, like the address labels, like what are they, like 1.5 by 2 or something? It can be address labels. All you got to do is cut it to 1.5 by 3-ish. This is one of the things that I say about your sticker paper. So handy to have. Again, it could be label paper. You could just use 2 long labels. 1.5 again by 3. I'm going to fold it in half so that it is roughly, and again, these are not all exact, so it's roughly the size of one of the boxes, right? And all I do is I fold it diagonally. And I'm just folding this with the sticker paper backer on. I fold it diagonally. Okay, now this, you open out. You see that? You just open that out. And then you've got your little flip box. Your little flip box. And all I have to do is take the backer off. I like to just do it down that split. And then I can leave this open. And then I can just flip that there. So now I can just put this down wherever. So I'm going to put one, I'm just going to put it there. We'll do, that is, again, one of your, I'm going to cut that out because I need to put the 3 in there. So that is one way to do it. You can do it all with sticker paper. And then I would come over it with a squisher, a sticker squisher, or something, could be a credit card, just so that you can easily flip it. And so that you see this number at the bottom, let's say this was the 31st, so that you see that, all you got to do is come in, snip that there. That's all I did to create this one. That's all I did. Just use sticker paper, 1.5 by 3, fold it in half, fold it diagonal, and then stick it down. Boom. So what do you do if you don't have sticker paper to do this business with? What you do is you take 2 of your monthly boxes, right? Now, this method, you need 2 stickers. You need 2 stickers. All you have to do, and I'm going to show you on here, turn them over. Like, again, you want something that you can put them on where you can fold them. You fold it back on itself. Again, you might want to give it a sticker squish. One of them will get turned upside down, right? So that the notch is at the bottom where you want it. And then you're just going to stick that down. And then the whole thing gets stuck to your page. I'm going to put that there, right? And then again, you're going to bring in your squisher. And now I've got another monthly box. And again, all I have to do is just snip this so that I see my date here. I'm going to do the 31st because that's usually the ones that you're going to see. Okay, so then you've got 2 of your monthly boxes that you've done that with there, right? Or it could just be square boxes. You could just do square boxes and then cut out the notch. However, there's another way to do it where you're saving the amount of stickers you're using and you're saving money. So let me get another monthly box. All right, so let's say that this is, it's not July, it's New Year's Eve. It's New Year's Eve, right? And I want to put this here, but I've got the 31st. I've got the 31st, so I can't put that there because then it's over 2 days. All you need is paper. All you need is paper. 2 options. regular paper. This is 32-pound paper. It could be just regular printer paper. All I have to do is put my paper down. Think about my diagonal line being from the bottom left to the top right. Put that down here. And then cut. Again, if you're about saving money and all of that, this is the cheap and easy way of doing it, especially if you don't have enough monthly boxes or if you don't have sticker paper. All I do then, I come in, I put my box down, and all I have to do is give that a squish. And I have my monthly flip box. You just need paper. You don't need 2 stickers. You don't need 2 stickers. Now, the other thing that I want to mention is that this works with all kinds of stickers, not just your monthly. All right, so let's say now that I have a sticker that I want to put down, but my planner spread is looking crazy for this day. Crazy. I've got so much going on and there's not enough space. I want a decorative sticker, but I have things that I need to put on here. I don't want stuff here, or you may have some hidden journaling or something like that. So you've got options. Again, you can use sticker paper. You can totally use sticker paper, or you can just get out some regular old paper. Think about where your sticker is going to stick and then fold it. Give it a fold. Okay, so I know that this top bit, this, like, what is that, like half to a half inch-ish, half inch there, I know that that's going to stick to the page. The rest of it I'm going to stick down onto paper. Again, this is the cheap budget version where you don't need sticker paper, you don't need any of the fancy stuff. So now I've got space here that I can journal on, and all I have to do is put that down in my planner, wherever I was going to put it. And I have a flip box. Again, I would come in with my squisher or something just to squish it down so that it stayed and it flipped nicely. Now I've got a little flip box. The box can go this way, it can go left or right, and you can just open it. That works well with the double boxes. If you have one of those big chunky double boxes, it works for these. It works for, again, the monthly. If you have a monthly with a lot going on, and I should have just done that recently, but you can just flip the whole thing so that the whole thing flips. The other thing that I want to say is, if you find that, maybe you just want to use sticker paper instead, you have stickers like this with a lot of white space on them. You can cut these suckers up and use these. These are another way to do this. You can cut that off, use that as a header somewhere, and then you can cut this bottom bit. I'm going to use that. And you see how that now is a monthly box sticker? That now is a monthly box sticker, and I could come along and do the same exact thing that I've done here and just put that in, and then I'm golden, right? All right, so I hope that showed you just a few ways that you can do this. You can do it with sticker paper, you can do it with stickers, you can do it with regular paper. And the regular paper works for just regular stickers too. If you want a little flip box, you don't need to use more than 1 sticker, unless you wanted to. You can make your stickers go further by just using paper. All right, I hope you enjoyed this and you just found it useful and a budget way to, again, I'm all about that budget life of saving money on your stickers. You don't need to use 2 stickers, you just need to use 1 and then some paper. We all have paper. So yes, if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals.